Jesus was in perfect love. You rescued me, you rescued me so I can stand and say, I am a child of God. I'm no longer a slave to sin. I am a child of God. I am a child of God. Read back the scripture. Isaiah 53, verse 5. I want us to understand what Jesus did on the cross. You see, he has been showing us pictures like a celebrity. But actually, the Jesus that died for me looked like a demon on the cross.